Reach in the foot holes first and warp them. Push this side forward and take them out. Notice that there are two solder feet behind this LED screen. Remove the cable first. Hook it down. Iron the two welding feet with an electric soldering iron and remove the screen. This point is blocked. You can use this to suck. The hole is squeezed out again. Install the cable first. Align this hole. Press down here. Just weld it on. It's not elastic. It's stuck here first. Just press down hard here. Install the lid and replace it.